Alright, the Impala's gone. This is the truck that actually was traded for that Impala. You can see it does have a body lift. Pretty tall truck. We've got to take and get some exhaust work done on it. I'll show you here in a minute how it sounds. The interior's in pretty nice shape. The dash isn't actually all cracked up. Seats ain't all, not all tore up or anything. Has a little Bluetooth radio. Here is a Flowmaster 50 series muffler we're going to put on this truck. And I actually won that in a drawing from Str8six fan on YouTube. And I'll put his link down in the description. If you haven't checked this channel out, you should. It's pretty cool. He does some good things on his channel. But yeah, won that muffler. It's going to go on this truck. It's going to sound good. And let's get the thing started so you can see the sound on this one. Definitely needs that muffler. Gonna have to take it to the exhaust shop. It's gonna need exhaust work and then also the muffler, so we'll do it all together. Put this window down real quick. Oh, nothing won't lock us out. This is the 4.7 Magnum, so it's not the Hemi. It does need some hood shocks. Needs some good cleaning. Anyway. Alright guys, we'll get it checked out. Alright, here it is again. Now, we went ahead. See if I can get under here and show you. We went ahead, we got new cats on. We took that new, excuse me, come back to the Y pipe and then back to that new Flowmaster, and it's dumped out the back that we had put on. This is the Flowmaster 50 series that we got from Str8six fan off of his drawing on his YouTube. And again, make sure to go check out his YouTube. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get this truck posted for sale before I start looking at it too much and find more stuff to do to it. So, oh yeah, let's see how it sounds with this new muffler on. I bet you guys want to hear that. It's much quieter. Much quieter. Still got a good sound to it though. I'm happy with it. Alright, well, let's just go get this thing posted for sale.